So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and then you can see here right hand side, you can see this is a search button to click, and then type your model number which is required. Okay, Gigabyte B840M Eagle Wi-Fi 6, then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click of the title of the motherboard. Then click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Click on support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. Select any you are using. Installation process same, which is I am showing you. Okay, you watch this video and follow that. Audio driver. So first this is audio driver. Okay, click to download. After you can see it started downloading. So I already downloaded 165 size, 165. Open this. You just double click to launch. You can extract, otherwise you can directly install. Okay, click to yes. Now this is extracting. Extract driver to install your system. Now this is installing. Then close. Chipset. AMD chipset driver. Click to download. You can see here already. You can start here. Then send open chipset driver. Just open it. Then click to yes. Now you can see it is installing. Then click close it installed. LAN, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. And then open, just double click to exe, then click to yes, then closed. Bluetooth driver, you can see this is Bluetooth driver, click to download. Then open, just double click to exe, then click to yes, then double click to launch, then install, then close it. WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. Wi-Fi driver, click to download. And it is completed, just single click to open. Double click to launch, and then click to yes, then click to yes. Now wait for seconds. Now it is extracting to your system to installation driver. Then guys close